Exercise 39. See here they given fractions sum. They are asking to find the values of 100. See the first question 1 plus 1 by 4. So it is a mixed fraction, that is sum of whole and proper fraction. It is 1 by 4. See the second question 3 plus 1 by 2. It is also mixed fraction, that is 3 1 by 2. 3 by 5 plus 1 by 5. So these two are like fractions. In the case of like fractions, we have to write down common denominator and add the numerators. 3 plus 1, that is 4 by 5. 7 by 10 plus 2 by 10. Here these two are also like fractions. Like fractions means same denominator. Write down common denominator as denominator and add the numerators, that is 9 by 10. See the fifth problem. 1 by 7 plus 5 by 14. 1 by 7 plus 5 by 14. Here these two are unlike fractions. In the case of unlike fractions, we have to find LCM. Here 7 is a factor of 14. Is a factor of 14. So LCM is equal to 14. Write down LCM as denominator. And how many times 7 goes in 14? You have to observe. It will go in 2 times. You have to multiply that coefficient with numerator. 14 will go 1 time, 5 once. 2 plus 5 by 14, that is 7 by 14. So convert this into simplest fraction. Simplest fraction means the numerator and denominator having 1 as common factor, but here 7 is common factor. 7 1s, 7 2s. That is 1 by 2. Okay. See the next problem. See the next sixth problem. 3 by 8 plus 7 by 16. Here these are also having different denominators, unlike fractions. Take LCM. Here 8 is a factor of 16. Is a factor of 16. So LCM is equal to 16. If it is a factor, then greater is the LCM. Okay, na? Write down LCM 16. 8 will go in 2 times. 3 into 2 plus 16 will go in 16 1 times, 7 into 1. That is 6 plus 7 by 16. That is 13 by 16. So that implies 3 by 8 plus 7 by 16 is equal to 13 by 16. Okay. In the case of unlike fractions, we have to take the LCM for the denominators. See the next problem. Seventh problem. 9 by 10 plus 1 by 2. Here also 2 5s 10. 2 is a factor of 10. 2 is a factor of 10. So LCM is equal to 10. Write down LCM. 10 will go in 1 time, 9 1s are. 2 will go in 5 times, 1 5s are. So 9 plus 5 by 10. That is equal to 14 by 10. Here 14 by 10 is improper fraction. We have to convert improper into mixed. First we have to divide this with common factor 2. 2 7s 2 5. 7 by 5. 5 1s remainder 2 5. The answer is 1 2 by 5. Okay. See the next problem. Eighth problem. 4 by 11 plus 3 by 22. Here also 11 is a factor of 22. So LCM is 22. Okay. So write down LCM as denominator. 11 2s nana, that is 4 into 2. 22 1s, 3 into 1. 8 plus 3 by 11, 22. So that is 11 by 22, 11 1s, 11 2s. That is 1 by 2. You have to convert the answer in simplest form. That is 4 by 11 plus 3 by 22 is equal to 1 by 2. Is equal to 1 by 2. See the next problem. Ninth problem. 5 by 20 plus 11 by 20. Here these two are like fractions. For 20 and 20 LCM is 20 only. Write down 20 as denominator and add the numerators. It is 16 by 20 and 16 and 20 has highest common factor 4. 4 fours, 4 fives. That is 4 by 5. 4 by 5. And see the 10th problem. 9 by 16 plus 5 by 16. Here also these are like fractions. 16 as denominator, 9 plus 5, it is 14 by 16. 16 and 14 has highest common factor 2. 2 sevens, 2 eights. It is 7 by 8. See the 11th problem. 11th problem. 3 by 4 plus 2 by 5. Okay, now here 4 and 5 are consecutive numbers, those are co-primes. Here 4, 5 are co-primes. LCM of co-primes is their product. LCM is equal to 4 into 5, that is 20. If any pair of consecutive numbers are co-primes, the LCM is 20. Write down 20. 4 will go in 5 times, 3 into 5 plus 5 will go in 4 times, 2 into 4. That is 15 plus 8 by 20. It is 23 by 20. Here observe numerator is greater than the denominator. It is improper fraction. For improper fraction you have to convert into mixed. 21 are 20. Remainder is 3 by 20. So the answer is 3 by 4 plus 2 by 5 is equal to 1 3 by 20. See that 12th problem. 6 by 13 plus 3 by 13. Here these are like fractions. Write down common denominator as denominator and add the numerators. It is 9 by 13. It is 9 by 13. See the next 12th problem. 12th problem. Sorry, this is for 13th problem. 7 by 17 plus 5 by 17. These are also like fractions. Write down common denominator as denominator. 7 plus 5, that is 12 by 17. So in 4th problem, 3 1 by 2 plus 4 1 by 4. Here they given mixed fractions. In the case of mixed fractions addition, you have to add the whole parts. You have to add the whole parts. Here the whole part is 3 and second one is 4. 3 plus 4, 7. And next you have to add the proper parts. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. Otherwise you have to convert mixed into improper fraction, but it takes lengthy calculations. If you add whole part separately and proper part separately, it is very easy. See 7 plus, here 2 is a factor of 4. Here 2 is a factor of 4. So LCM is equal to 4. Write down LCM. 2 how many times goes in 4? 2 times. 1 into 2. 4 will go in 1 time. 1 into 1. 7 plus 2 plus 1 by 4. That is 7 plus 3 by 4. So now you have to write the mixed fraction. First you want to observe the addition of proper part is improper or not. So it is a proper part. You know the definition of mixed fraction. Combination of whole and proper. So you have to combine it. 3 7 3 by 4. That is 3 1 by 2 plus 4 1 by 4 is equal to 7 3 by 4. You have to do carefully. If the sum of proper parts is an improper fraction, you have to convert into mixed. After you have to add the whole to the whole part. Okay, next see the 15th problem. 15th problem. 7 3 by 4 plus 1 1 by 4. 5 1 by 4. 7 plus 5 12 plus 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4. Here these two are like fractions. Write down common denominator 3 plus 1. That is 12 plus 4 by 4. 12 plus 4 by 4. 4 by 4 is nothing but 1 number. 12 plus 1, that is equal to 13. So that implies 7 3 by 4 plus 5 1 by 4 is equal to 13. See the 16th problem. 6 1 by 2 plus 3 1 by 2. 6 plus 3 9 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. 2 halves make 1, 9 plus 1, that is 10. Alright, you know 2 halves make 1. Okay, you have to write 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 as 1, 9 plus 1, that is 10. See the 17th problem. 9 1 by 5 plus. You have to careful in the case of addition of the fractions, whether those are like or not, you have to observe. If the fractions are like, you have to write common denominator as denominator. In the case of unlike, you have to take LCM for the denominators. Okay, 9 plus 2, 11. Here these are like fractions, add the numerators. 11 plus 4 by 5. Here it is a proper fraction, combine it. 11 4 by 5. So 9 1 by 5 plus 2 3 by 5 is equal to 11 4 by 5. Okay. See the 18th problem. 4 7 by 10 plus 3 1 by 10. Here 4 plus 7, 4 plus 3 is 7 plus 7 by 10 plus 1 by 10. These two are like common, write down denominator 7 plus 1, that is 7 plus 8 by 10. Here this 8 by 10 is not in simplest form, convert into 2 4s, 2 5s. 7 plus 4 by 5, that is 7 4 by 5. 7 4 by 5. See the 19th problem. 9 2 by 5 plus 2 1 by 5. 9 plus 2 11 plus 2 by 5 plus 1 by 5. These are also like fractions. 5 2 plus 1, that is 11 plus 3 by 5. It is proper, so you have to write mixed. Okay na? That implies 9 2 by 5 plus 2 1 by 5 is equal to 11 3 by 5. Okay na? So if it is improper, convert into mixed. After you have to combine those two. See the 28th problem and last problem in this exercise. 4 1 by 4 plus 3 3 by 4. See 4 plus 3 7. 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. 7 plus 4 LCM 1 plus 3. 7 plus 4 by 4. 4 ones. 7 plus 1, that is 8. Okay. So now today's class completed. Bye children.